In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable HTTP2 in Cursor AI. This quick change can help resolve certain connectivity issues, especially if you're working behind strict firewalls, proxies, or network appliances that don't play nicely with HTTP2. I'll walk you through it clearly and make sure you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Cursor AI editor. Make sure you're on the home page so everything is easy to access. With the editor open and in focus, press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus comma. That's the Control key and the comma key together. This shortcut takes you straight into the full settings area, so you don't have to hunt through menus. Once the settings panel is open, look for the section labeled Cursor, then go to General. In that General area, find the option named Disable HTTP2. This is typically presented as a toggle or checkbox. You'll want to turn it on to disable HTTP2. If you're not sure whether it's active, check that the control clearly indicates it's enabled. A quick note on what this does. HTTP2 is a newer protocol that can speed up and streamline network requests. However, in some environments, especially those with deep packet inspection, SSL termination, or older proxies, HTTP2 can cause timeouts or erratic behavior. Disabling it forces Cursor AI to use HTTP 1.1 instead, which is often more compatible with restrictive networks. You may notice slightly slower network performance, but the trade-off is increased stability if you were experiencing issues. After you've toggled Disable HTTP2, restart Cursor AI to apply the change. A full restart means closing the app completely and then opening it again. Before you do that, it's a good idea to save your work and close any files you don't want to lose. When the app relaunches, your new setting will be in effect automatically. No extra action needed. From here, use Cursor AI as you normally would. If network-related glitches you were seeing go away, the change likely did the trick. If you later decide you want the benefits of HTTP2 again, just return to the same settings area and turn the toggle off, then restart once more. That's it. You open the editor, use the Ctrl plus comma shortcut to reach full settings, found Cursor, then General, enabled Disable HTTP2, and restarted the app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your development environment running smoothly.